Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Canva to Google Drive at 2026. So actually guys, you will need to open up your browser and then just go with the canva.com and log into your account, okay? And after that you will need to go and open any design or just go ahead and create a new one, okay? So for example, we'll go with that design here. So inside the Canva designer you will find, or you will be able to actually see a bar or a left side bar, right? So that's it. So I just want you to go and click on the apps option right here and then just look for Google Drive, okay, and hit enter on your keyboard. And right now just select the Google Drive here, click it, and then go with open, then just click on connect. So you will need to sign in to your Google account, then just click on allow to give Canva permission, alright? So as I told you, click on connect and sign in with your account, and then all of your drives will be forwarded to the Canva designer, alright? And the Google Drive files will now appear inside Canva. So actually guys, the steps are simple. So you only just open any design on your Canva and then just go and click on the apps, look for Google Drive by using the search bar, select the Google Drive and then just sign in with it or with your account on Google Drive, and there you go. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.